Welcome to Hawkeye Traders, and I would like to show you here the Fatman. The Fatman is an indicator specifically for trading forex, and although it looks like spaghetti, each line represents a currency. If you're in TradeStation, you just click on the data window and it will tell you what each color represents, so you can see exactly which currency is what color. However, what it really does is to tell you to choose which currency to choose each day or in each time frame so that you increase the risk of success. What I have done, I've taken every currency, swap that there is, and have divided them into each other, and then I've run the Hawkeye trend through them. And that then shows me the overall bias of each currency. So for example, on our right hand side you can see here we have the euro against the pound. The euro happens to be green and the pound happens to be orange, and you can see that their euro is rising, the green, and the orange is declining, the pound. Then we go over to Hawkeye and we can see that at this junction here we get everything clicks in and it tells us, yes, this is the currency pair that we can trade. We can take this trade, we can go long of the euro against the British pound on the 60-minute, and also we can see that the volume and the Hawkeye heat map and the trend has also gone long on the 180-minute. So now let's look at another pair. You can see that the magenta is rising very steeply, which is the Japanese yen, and you can see that the dollar is declining, which is the light blue. So if we go over to those currency pair, we can see that at this point here the signal on the Hawkeye 60 minutes was to go short. It wasn't set up at that time, because if we look over here you can see that we are still not set up on the 180-minute to that point there, but we do get that major move out of the market here. So it is really a very, very good indicator, and it keeps you on the right side of the market. In everything that I try and teach everybody is to look at the risk in the market, not look at a specific market, but look at the risk of the trade that you have. It works on any time frames. You can go right down to 5 minutes. Let's just do that whilst we're here. So let me just click on and make that a 5-minute. So this one should be a 15-minute. And we will then change this to, I like having it on the 15-minute. And again, we will go and see what currency pairs it brings up for us. Well, unfortunately, as I'm English, the British pound is still declining, this orange here. The Australian dollar is going up, as is the Swiss. So let's go and have a look at the pound Swiss and see how that is. And you can see that there is a trade that came in here, and you could have gone short. You would have suffered a little bit through the congestion zones here, and then it cracked off back down. And if we go and have a look at the pound Australian, you can see again that was a better call than the Swiss, and there it is there. There is the red line of the Australian rising, confirming up on Hawkeye, both on the 15-minute and the 5-minute. It really is a terrific indicator. And if you want to know more, please go to hawkeyetraders.com. Thank you.